going on, guys? Today I want to talk to you about the K2 meter and how to use it. Number one thing is that you need to look out for is the battery. You want to check out the battery, change it out maybe every twice a month, just depending on how much you use it. So just keep that in mind and make sure the battery's good in it. Make sure it's like well lit. Plus baseline reading. Baseline reading is that you walk around whatever building you're at, inside, outside, it doesn't matter. You want to get the K2 meter, cut it on, and go to wall, and just kind of like you're painting a wall. Just kind of paint it up and down the wall, and see if you get any spikes. If you don't get any spikes, then you're good. But if you do get a spike, then you'll know what to avoid, and you don't want to go to that area. And if it lights up, you'll know why it's lighting up and try to figure out the source of that. But with that being said, I'm going to show y'all a demonstration of how to use it. First, we got to say hi to the puppies. I'm going to feed y'all monkeys in a minute. I'll feed y'all in a minute. Y'all always hungry, man, I swear. Yeah, I know. What is it? I'll be back. All right, guys. With the K2 meter, when you want to do a baseline sweep around a house or whatnot, you always want to go to the wall. You want to go to the wall, and you want to go all the way down to the floor, all the way up, all the way down. I can get a K2 hit right here, but if you didn't know something was behind this wall, you're gonna think it's a spirit, right? Yeah, because you don't know what's going on. So now that I know that this area right here is gonna cause this K2 meter to spike up like that, I can avoid it. Avoid going to this area, and if it spikes, I'll know what it is. And for another example, if I go to this little meter box here, it's gonna cause it to go off. So you just want to watch out. And one more thing, guys, if you have a cell phone in your pocket, make sure it's either turned off or it's on airplane mode, because the K2 meter will absolutely make it go off and it will spike up. So just keep that in mind. Turn the cell phone off, put on airplane mode. That way it does not interfere with your ghost investigation. Tell you a quick story about my experience that I had, that what got me into the paranormal. I used to be a skeptic. I used to not believe in spirits, ghosts, the whole 9 yards. Didn't believe in it. I used to lay carpet, and there's a device called a kicker. It's probably about that long. You kick it with your knee into the carpet, and it kind of, levels out the carpet against the wall. You attach it to the carpet, kick it. It makes a noise. But as I was kicking the kicker, right, the table behind me, there was a long table, probably about that long, with picture frames on it, and I thought I heard a rattle behind me. I mean, I heard a noise. I didn't think nothing of it, but as I was continuing kicking, I heard like an echo behind me. It was just an echo, and it was weird. I had no idea what that noise was. So I looked behind me, didn't see nothing out of the way, but the carpet I'm laying is about that thick, and there's a table behind me that long with picture frames. I think there was 3 or 4 picture frames, right? And it was blank. It had no pictures in it. Weird. And the picture frames was like that thin, and as I was laying the carpet and I kicked the kicker, the picture frame fell off the table. I turned around, and the picture frame, I'm not kidding you, was standing straight up like that with the leg folded in. And just remember, the carpet that thick, picture frame that thin, leg folded in. It was standing straight up. And I watched this picture frame kind of leaned down. It was standing straight up, went down like that, and took off across the room. What did I do? Got my ass up and ran. And my boss comes out and he's like, "You saw something, didn't you?" And I said, yeah, I did, and I can't go back in there. But long story short, I didn't finish the job. And that's what got my curiosity into the paranormal after that happened. I'm not a skeptic anymore. After that happened, I believe. And it just makes me want to know more and more and more. So, with that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.